One very important concept when it comes to scripting, especially with Python as well as the other scripting languages, there's what we call functions, and what that means is that, let's say you want the user to see like your greeting message or something like that. So you can use you can use different functions. You can use like the greet function, and that's what I'm gonna show you here. These are specific. There are blocks. I'll just create a new one here. So when you talk about functions in Python, you're looking at blocks. So these are blocks of code. The blocks of code which they're gonna perform a task. And an example could be I mean, because you can define your own functions. And then how do you define your own function? By using the def here. So you use the def options here, and the def will define. For instance, let's say, let me just go ahead and write something here quick. So let's say we want to say def as an example here, def. So we're gonna call onto this function greet, and then we'll put the name here. And when you do that, so you end with column, remember to indent. Print, you can use this one here, F, then you say this is a message. You can do it many different ways, more than just one way, like hello, and then we're gonna call on the name here, and you close the bracket there. So you have you can do this, right? You can do it this way. Then you say greet Alice here. And when you do this, it's gonna say hello, and then the name, it's gonna be Alice. So that's one way you can do it. Let me write it quickly. Then I can let's just experiment on this and see what happens. All right, let's go to the console here. We're gonna have to create the file, and we will call it def.py. We're gonna say using functions. We want to define this one to be greet. So we're gonna say greet name, then column there, and then indent. I'm gonna print, and then here you can just you can say this, just say hello. Okay, let's start here. So you can do F, double quotation mark there, and then curly bracket. You say name, and you have the exclamation, and close the bracket. And now you want to say greet. You wanna greet Alice here. So we'll give it a try and see if it works. So I'm gonna do that Python 3 then def. So there's an error. Okay, let me fix it. Unterminated f detected. Let me fix it. I think we missed the end there. And make sure that you have, when you start with a double quotation mark, then end with another double quotation mark. So I'm gonna do yes, and that let me verify it, make sure that it's correctly done. It is. So I'm gonna now okay, hold on, I'm gonna have to close this, okay, so that you don't get, you see. So that's what we needed to have. So if you cat, you wanna see it's correctly written here. So you just say hello, Alice. And that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.